Dubai Mall. Oh my god!
Only is 6:50 AM. This is the earliest I've waken up for breakfast. I'm not that exhausted though.
Breakfast selection is actually decent. I got myself an egg, lettuce, and then some salad. I'm at Marina, but I'm lost. I don't know where is it. Yeah, I don't know where. I'm following the boat operator to the boat. It's very hot in here, but it's so lovely. Look at the sun, is so hot. I'm gonna go fast. Oh my god.
Hey everyone.
Yeah.
Hello, okay?
Myself.
And this one, we are sailing boat.
The sail.
Here 22 floors.
Because you're following tour. Following tour is like that. You ask me 10 minutes, 10 minutes, and
So it's over. Boat ride was actually fun, although it's very hot, but makes sense. It's an outdoor activity. I'm at Dubai Mall. I'm now going to the Burj Khalifa entrance, which is very far currently. Everything here is very far. I don't think I'm so sleepy right now because after the boat ride, like the sea and stuff, I'm really sleepy. Actually, I've drank coffee during breakfast. Well, maybe later after Burj, I'm gonna drink like coffee. We have arrived and buy your tickets here or you buy it online. But since I'm in the Emirates thing, so I'm gonna try and redeem here. I'm excited. Dubai Mall, address, hotel. Wow, you can see the Dubai frame there. And one's a bill. Burj Khalifa was very nice, like the view was stunning. Everything is very nice, very pretty. As someone who likes architecture, it's like very worth it. But also I never pay anything, so that's that. Bought a souvenir from Burj Khalifa. It's a magnet. Definitely prefer Dubai Mall to Mall of the Emirates because Dubai Mall is more open and airy and the people are like tourists, most of them. While Mall of the Emirates is more of like residents. This is Dubai Mall Aquarium, but this is just at the side. Oh my god! Crazy. I want to eat Joe's Cafe, but like it's closed. I mean the Joe's Cafe that outside, it opened at 6. They all outdoors open at 6. I think it's too hot. I'm at the food court eating some Cajun chicken. It's actually not bad. I mean I haven't tried it, but it's not bad for the price. It's like 37 dirham. That's the food court. I prefer this food court than Mall of the Emirates, honestly. Dubai Mall is definitely the best because look, there's seats. Mall of the Emirates? Nope. At the city area. The light and the fountain show, I was emotional. I was about to cry. This was so long already. I wanted to travel here and finally did. After talking a lot and joking about like going to Burj and all that, I actually went to the Burj. Where is the Burj? There.